most days I can barely leave my bed, 'cause someone lives rent-free inside my head. I say I'm not okay, I'm terrified when I go to sleep, when I close my eyes. What the hell am I supposed to do? Oh my God, I can't breathe, and I don't know why. Angels come and they leave into the midnight sky. You only know how much you meant, you only know the time we spent. Take the pain from my heart and make it whole again. Some relief. I've been out here hiding like a thief. I'll pull the windows down when I feel low, keep my demons close so nobody knows the dark side that lives inside of me. Oh my God, I can't breathe, and I don't know why. Angels come and they leave into the midnight sky. You only know how much you meant, you only know the time we spent. Take the pain from my heart and make it whole again. I just wanna be okay, will I ever feel again? Skeletons, nightmares, I don't think they fight fair. Why am I so sad all the time? I don't wanna take my drugs, I just wanna be okay, will I ever feel again? Oh my God, I can't breathe. Angels come and they leave. You only know how much you meant, you only know the time we spent. Take the pain from my heart and make it whole again.
Let me show you, let me show you. Look. Right there. Look. Right there.
I can talk with you. Breathe to me tales of things that haunt your dreams. Set the brush and paint the scene so I can breathe with you. The gravel spikes your feet, the cloth rubs on your knees. So darling, when the rain comes crashing in, I'll be right here and listen to you sing. Shout to me what they made you out to be. Burst the glass and start to scream so I can shout with you. Cry to me rivers that will raise the sea, creeks of pain and apathy, so I can cry with you. Oh, the gravel spikes your feet, the blood rubs on your knees. So darling, when you're deafened by the noise, I'll be right here and listen to your voice.
In a world of constant evolution, where the line between man and machine begins to blur,